Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah. Alright, Jelly Beans, I have 3 boxes, 3 different sellers here. One of the sellers going into the description down below is Torto's Diecast. Alright, hold on, let me, no, not sell. Let me just make sure I got the name correctly. Yes, Torto's Diecast. The other one is Dark Iron Collectibles and Fish Wheels. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Torto's Diecast, Dark Iron Collectibles, and Fish Wheels. Remember, all their links will be down below for whatnot, so you can join their awesome streams. I'll be right back with these unboxings. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Oh. Alright, Jelly Beans, let's start off with Torto's. Torto's, sorry for messing your name up. This is going to be a good one. I feel it. Thank you for using this type of wrapping. Oh, yeah. This is Whatnot video, and remember, when you sign up under my link, you will get a $10 in-app credit, unless they moved it up to $15, I'm not sure, but please sign up under my link and go join these guys' streams. Oh yes, packing peanuts, what I love packing peanuts. Nah. Ooh. Oh yeah. Very good packer. Alright, these are Lucy's. Loosey Goosey's. Okie dokie. Artichokey. Okay, first up is this first responder fire truck ambulance looking thing. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Wonder how this will do on a Dark Iron's, what do you call it? Drag racing. It's heavy enough. The wheels move perfectly. Well, that's great. That's great. Alright, let's get these other ones out. Oh yeah! I normally don't bid on Lucy's, but these were pretty awesome. Ooh, got this nice looks like another first responder vehicle there. I don't know if that's lights up top or if it's a sunroof, so it's pretty cool. I like that. That's why I bidded on it. Pretty cool. This might be pretty good on a drag race too for Dark Iron Collectibles. I don't know. Got the Tankinator. I actually have one of these. My good friend Viper Mania gave me one. It's pretty cool. I like that. Thank you very much, Torto's. I am so sorry for butchering your name. Alright, here we go. Here goes another baggie. Oh yeah. Alright, here is a Porsche Cayenne. Right? Cayenne. The SUV thing. That's pretty cool. Oh, Chevy Suburban. This would definitely be good. Sorry. for the drag race on Dark Iron's thing on Friday nights. So with this, oh my gosh, these are awesome vehicles. Thank you very much towards those. I think this would do pretty good on the gauntlet or the drag race. I'm saying gauntlet and drag race because Dark Iron Collectibles does races on his streams. Mondays he does gauntlets, it does the whole track around, and Friday nights he does drag race. So it's pretty awesome. I like it. On this box, it's Fish Wheels. Fish Wheels diecast. His link will be down below too. Another great packing. I love how some people pack on here. Thank you very much. Ooh, baby. There we go. Coke. 3rd Gen Camaro. Number 85. Because it's the 1985 Chevy Camaro. 3rd Gen. Yeah. 3rd Gen makes more than the IROC Z28. Yeah. Thank you very much, Fish Wheel. And here we go again. 1985 Chevy Camaro IROC Z. This is an O'Reilly's exclusive. From what I was told. Woo! Pretty sweet. I like that. I like them both. M2. My favorite castings, M2. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Here's Dark Iron Collectibles right here. Alright, this shouldn't be too hard to open. And of course, you hit me with the cross tape. No! Cross tape. Dark Iron, what's the name of your store? So I have friends out in Ohio. Could go visit. My good buddy TB Hobbies likes diecast as well. So what type of what's the name of your store? So I could tell people. Ooh boy. Alright, here we go. Here is a 1971 Jeepster Commando. Oh yeah. It's a green light. That's pretty cool. I like that. Here is a Force Link Darth Vader. That's pretty cool. I know exactly what I'm doing with this. It's going to the Toys for Tots Um, it's going for Toys for Tots. It's going to my brother's fire department, and he could put it in his bin. So I'm going to take the sticker off, and I have a I think Toys for Tots at my fire department too that I belong to, and I'm going to give something. I'm going to give some Hot Wheels away as well for Toys for Tots. All right, let me go with this tape. I'm not a tape person. I hate tape or stickers. All right, let me deal with that in a minute. And here we go. It's built. It's a Legos Champions built. I don't think I can donate that. I don't think it's brand new. So I'm going to leave it inside the box, and I'm not giving it away for Toys R Us. Okay. This is a I guess NASCAR thing. Yeah, it's a NASCAR. It's a Dodge car. No, wait a minute. What the heck kind of car is it? I do not know what kind of car it is. I mean, it could be a Dodge Charger, I guess. I'm not sure. It's a NASCAR. Doesn't say what it is. But it's awesome. This, here we go, jelly beans. This, it's a 1957 Ford Courier sedan. It's from Johnny Lightning. This has some weight to it. That's awesome. Thank you very much. That's freaking awesome. I want to see these some of these Hot Wheels right there behind me. I'm giving some of them to Toys for Tots. Okay, now here we go. Here's some loosey gooseys. Some dark iron. Let me know about that. And that, because I would like to put these in my garage. Woo-wee! Look at that rubber tire truck. Sorry for calling it a car, but ooh, the bumper lets up and down. Number 16. That's pretty sweet. Woo-wee! That's another nice, I guess, three-window coupe. I'm going to give it to my niece. Oh yeah. This Chevy Silverado. Indie Racing League. That's what it says. Movable parts. Movable parts. I'm guessing this is a Pidgeot, whatever. I don't know what this is. Please explain. This card did pretty good for me on the what do you call it? The drag race. It won me the third place last weekend. It's also movable parts. My niece is gonna get a couple cars. Oh, here's my Suburban. No, this is what won me third place on the gauntlet right here. Suburban, I wish she kept, but I didn't get my garage until Monday, the following Monday, because I took home the championship Monday. This is pretty sick. I like this. Ooh, Pontiac GTO. I think I stole another one off you last night from somebody. Was it the one from last night? What do you call it? Convertible. Ooh, official pace car, movable parts. Pretty sweet. I like all these Lucy's. I'm not a Lucy person. Lowrider, Lincoln. Pretty sweet. I like that. Thank you very much, Dark Iron. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And please go check everybody out on their whatnot links in the description down below. Have a good day. Peace. Thank you very much. Tortos, Fish Wheels, and Dark Iron diecast. Have a good day. Peace.